Before we start, click the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal on ClickRank. Go on, do it now. I'll wait. I went from an SEO nightmare to 4.6 star ratings without touching a single line of code. Want to know how? Click the link in the description below for a special lifetime deal on ClickRank. Let's be honest, SEO is a proper headache for most of us. All those technical terms, plugins that break your site, and experts charging an arm and a leg. But what if you could fix all your SEO problems with just one click? That's exactly what ClickRank does. It's an AI-powered SEO tool that automates all those tedious on-page tasks. No plugins needed, no coding required, just a tiny JavaScript snippet that works with any website. ClickRank pulls data directly from your Google Search Console. And then, here's the magic part. It automatically fixes your titles, meta descriptions, image alt text, internal links, and even generates schema markup. All with one click. The best bit? Users are giving it 4.6 out of 5 stars. One bloke even called it his best AppSumo purchase to date. Not bad, eh? Right now on AppSumo, you can grab a lifetime deal starting at just $69 for one website. That's unlimited optimizations forever. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. And if you're not chuffed with the results, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, get your special discount, and sort your SEO once and for all. Your future site visitors will thank you. Click the link below. Honest.